Welcome to Tutorial 3 of the MyCarApp Shop Management System. Once logged into your main account at MyCarApp.com, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find a link to the Shop Management System. Alternatively, you can access it directly at platform.mycarapp.com/public/login. You'll need to use the same credentials created for MyCarApp. The first step involves adding technicians and service advisors who will oversee operations. It's essential to start by adding at least one technician and one service advisor. Even if you're managing the business alone, you'll need to add yourself as both. Begin by going to Employees Technicians to add a technician. You can add multiple technicians by clicking Add Technician and filling out their email, creating a password, and entering their personal details. You can also upload their resume and set their operating hours for each day. Once entered, click Save to add the technician. Next, add service advisors by navigating to Employees Service Advisors, where you can add their first name, last name, email address, set a password, enter their phone number, and add any relevant notes. Now proceed to add customers by clicking the plus icon under Customers. Enter the customer's information and save. You can then add vehicle information for each customer, allowing for comprehensive records. With all information entered, you can now create inspection reports or invoices. Start by opening an inspection report and selecting the customer from the list. Choose the service advisor and technician, update the vehicle's odometer reading, and add any comments received from the customer to guide the technician's work. Once completed, send the report to the technician, who will receive the request and can begin working. Alternatively, manage all reports from the main account by highlighting and selecting all inspection items. You can also add additional items not on the list. An advantageous feature of the inspection report is the ability to take photos of the vehicle's exterior and interior upon arrival at the shop. This provides added protection in case of incidents or customer claims. Also for repairs, take before and after pictures for customer review. Technicians can add comments on each item to further clarify the work performed or needed. Once the report is ready, send it to the service advisor for pricing and approval. Customers receive a secure link via email or SMS to review the full inspection report, including comments and pricing details. They can then accept or decline each service job through the link provided and sent back to you. Approved reports are stored under Approved Inspections, where you can manage pending, finished, and awaiting approval inspections. You can also print reports and export them with or without images. Stay tuned for more tutorials to explore additional functionalities and how they enhance your shop operations.